Today I thought it'd be cool to do a little bit of a flight path Sunday video. I haven't done one in a little while, and the weather's been really nice out, so we're gonna go check it out. What's up everybody, it's Original Dobo. Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. Whoa, it's a branch. Well, I think this is a good spot to go ahead and set up the drone. It's a nice flat surface, nothing really around here, and let's go ahead and do it. I don't think I've ever actually flown from this. Cool. It's gonna make me take a DJI quiz. I think this is really stupidly annoying. Okay, so I got super lucky, almost lost the Phantom again, and not because of any fault of the Phantom, it's because the iPad is like burning up. This is the 2018 iPad, and it actually shut itself off because of the temperature. It's not even that hot out. I can't imagine how this would do in summer. It's like completely off and stupid hot to the touch. I'm gonna shut the drone off. I didn't bring my phone with me, but I've never had an iPad get this hot. Holy, I mean, it is blistering hot. I have to unplug it because it is like crazy hot. Oh my gosh, this thing is burning up. Okay, that was really weird. I hope it's not like something that is like normal of an iPad, but like it just shut off. Like I was getting weak image transmission to the iPad, and like then the temperature gauge went off, and I was just like sort of controlling it, just trying to get the drone. Luckily I saw it further enough away, but yeah, iPad, you can't see it. I'm pressing buttons, I'm turning it on. I had a full charge when I left the house, but completely off. It is hot, like probably over 120 degrees Celsius, if I had to imagine. Little crazy. I'm having bad luck with Apple products this week. My iPhone X screen is going crazy. This thing just overheated and shut down. Like, the iPhone 6S is still the best iPhone I have. Anyways, I'm gonna go home, edit this footage up. Hopefully you enjoyed. I will see you next Sunday.